So we have a beauty queen and look at her, she's glowing. Let me just briefly introduce Cinda to you. I knew Cinda even before she started pageants. She's my college junior. And just seeing her journey is so incredibly fulfilling. And mind you, she's won all the pageants she has entered, so she's no beauty queen to beat. And we would love to know about your journey. What do you feel like at this point, and how has this journey helped you and shaped you?
Hi everyone. First of all, congratulations on making it to Miss South India. Being a finalist is a huge thing in itself, so kudos to all of you. So once again, my name is Cinda Pramadan. I am Miss South India 2024. It feels weird to say that as much as I am happy for all of you, this is my last couple of times as the reigning queen and I'm sad about it, I'll be honest. So before I move on to my journey, I have two things that I want to share to all of you from one pageant girl to another. The thing is, pageants can be extremely pressurizing and it can be a lot of stress. And no one from the outside pageant fraternity would ever understand that. But if I could do one thing differently in my Miss South India journey, I would have taken more rest. Because when we have such a hectic grooming and preparation and all of that, we tend to skip our sleep, our food and all of that. But eventually it all shows up on your face and you don't want to look that on the finale day. Beauty sleep is a real thing, so sleep well. And work efficiently while you're having your grooming. Whenever I had gotten free time, I would practice my Q&A, so do that, quiz each other. You'll get to know so much more about your co-contestants and trust me, the girls around you are going to inspire you to become better. That's ultimately the best part of pageants. You see other women and you're like, okay, I want to be that, I want to do that. And as Shweta Chechi said, I call her Shweta Chechi because she was my college senior. And she is, again, one of the person who used to inspire me to actually take up pageants. And Miss South India is a pageant with so much legacy. Even before I ever thought of getting into a pageant, I used to follow Miss South India, the women who actually became, I used to follow their journey, then becoming a model. So Miss South India was a prized possession for me. And I am going to tell you that this journey is going to be exactly that for you as well. But just take away the idea of winning. That shouldn't be your mindset. If you just come here to win the title and go, that's not going to make you a winner. The mindset that will help you to become a winner is to grow. Every single day you need to have the capacity to take away all the negativity from your mind and just be the best of yourself. And that is what I think eventually made me a winner. Because when you're in this space every day, you compare yourself, you feel jealous, you feel insecure, but you also feel happy at the same time. So just hold on to that happy part, work hard, and winning is not everything. I know it's easy to be said than done, but it really is not. Pageants are so much more than that, and I was not the winner for every pageant that I did. For the very first pageant that I did, I was the first runner-up. Fair enough, but I was extremely competitive. I went into that pageant just to win it, nothing else. I just wanted to become the winner. No other thought in my mind. I didn't win it. And I thought, pageants are maybe not my thing. This is not meant for me. Maybe modeling is not meant for me. But I was auditioned by one of the most renowned photographers for that pageant. And after the pageant, while I was thinking of not doing any more pageants, he called me up and gave me a shoot. And that shoot quite literally changed my life because in the starting portion of my modeling journey, I was able to do a shoot with the most amazing people in the industry. And having that kind of a picture made my best version out there. It showed my full potential. And having that in my portfolio opened up so many doors for me. So if it's meant for you, it will eventually get to you. You just don't know what this stage is going to bring it to you yet. But I'm sure in the bigger picture, you'll be like, okay, if I didn't win it, I got this. You're going to get something or the other. You just have to have that mindset of going and doing over and over again, and ultimately you will get to it. So that's about it, I guess. Eat good food, stay hydrated, get some rest, and have that mindset to always make yourself better. That's ultimately the only thing that will help you. So may the best girl get the crown. Thank you. All the very best.